Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Lum Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka komiti ka bakarpang ka balakle daw Chief Secretary kani ka jala UMS Rao haka khat sau trek mataw nailor arhajar arpo kalasong jelang banyakren bat yemer jingmon halor ka jingsha ban pleno yaki jakale niam bat ki yang mane habakren hakinong pathai ko bor hadien ka jelang UMS Rao ulaitho bahadien balayatai sanibha hakani ka jelang halor ka jinglong jingman ka jala hakini kiski na uknyang jingpang COVID-19 kani ka komiti shen kan sasyong jelang biang ban perkhat bat banyatai hakani katayo kabanwan bat on sasyam ru ekarai ka bakat do la on sha ne ompat sha ban pleno yaki jakale niam bat ki mane ki ba hakani ka jalla
discussion they have shared from their documents requesting for certain minor changes to the SOP that was earlier published. So now we'll examine that and get back to them. They have stuck to the number of 50 or one-third capacity, whichever is lower. So we are not proposing any increase in the number, not as of now. Right now we are finalizing the SOP. Tentatively, in the meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister some time back, it was agreed that we'll open in October, first week of October, but it was tentatively agreed. So we'll see the situation in the last week of September and then take a final call.